So one of the topics for today is silver, and how is silver being affected by what's going on around the world? Well, as you can see right here, silver is jumping up a little bit while gold is actually going down. Now what causes this and why is silver different from gold? Let's take a look right over here. Silver prices usually rise during wartime due to increased demand for safe haven assets and investors seeking protection for stability. But also, similar to gold, silver is a safe haven, but for example, there's an industrial demand for silver because roughly half of silver demand is industrial. It's a war-induced global thing that can, when there's more war, there's more demand. For example, silver is used in solar, silver is used in AI, and silver is used in all the electronics that are needed for war, like for missiles and things like that. So right now, that's part of the reason why we see silver still rising a little bit, while gold in relation to the US dollar is dropping, because right now oil is going up, so the value of the US dollar is going up against the value of gold, so that's why gold is dropping. And that's also a little bit about why silver, you can see in the green here, is still steady and still going up a little bit, because even though the dollar is getting stronger against silver is still so much in demand for industrial use, for solar, for AI, and for the electronics in the war. That's part of the reason why you see that. Now let's go over here, for example, to some of the charts. Okay, now this is a Pan American Silver Company. Again, for example, a little bit about Pan American. Scroll down here on TradingView. It engages in the operation, development, and exploration of silver and gold producing properties and assets. And look at them right now. Look at this price chart. That tells you a lot. And right now, for example, the RSI down here is actually 41. 41 is still pretty neutral. And you can see right here, for example, it is stabilizing. And right there, I want to show you how the RSI and the price chart are similar right there and right here. See, it's kind of stable right now, not going up, not going down too much. Actually does rise a little bit, but then it also falls almost the same amount, but it's not dropping as much as gold is. Okay, so right now it's actually holding steady. This is the Pan American stock at 57, 55 right there. Now also, one thing I want you to notice is how the trading volume relative to the price changes as well. When there's more price action, there's more trading volume right there. And again, we're talking about silver because silver is actually being affected right now during wartime, because there's more silver needed, more silver used for the missiles and things that are going on over there. Now let's look at this. I want to show you some different things with this, the price charts, etc. Let's go right here. You can see one of the price charts. You can see as you zoom in, zoom out on this is your here's a double bottom right here, and right here is your neckline. So double bottom, here's a neckline, and then you can see this breaks out and goes up right there. Okay, so here your double bottom, and let me show you another one here. Also, basically right here you see another double bottom right here, and price chart goes up. So those are a couple price charts for you. Now let's take a look over here at the earnings side. For Pan American earnings, you get a volume of 7.13 million, market cap is at 23.5 billion. And then over here, looking at the earnings, let's take a look at the earnings side. Earnings right now for Pan American Silver, Q4, Q3, and Q2. All these quarters surpassed earnings expectations except for Q3, it just barely missed it. If you look at the annual side of it, again, 2025, 2024, and 2023. 2025 was the only year that beat earnings expectations, and that's what I mean. For example, this year, with what's going on with the dollar, what's going on in Iran, it's really affecting the price of silver. And so the mining stocks are going up. That's why we're looking at Pan American Silver Mining Corporation, because as the metal goes up, so does the mining. Okay, so that's the earnings. Now, if we look at statements, also it's looking good for this company because they got revenue, they have profit, they have income. So again, as the demand for silver keeps going up, it's not just a safe haven asset, it's also something that's needed for industrial purposes. So having said that, hope you enjoyed this material. If you did, let me know, and we'll see you in the next live stream for more information.